Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. Okay, so if it takes 7 hours for three people here to paint one wall, how long will it take for 10 people to paint three walls? Okay, so find out how long it takes for 10 people to paint three walls. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, start by summarizing this situation here. So the situation currently is three people, uh, one wall, and 7 hours. Okay, this is our current situation here. Okay, and our target is to get to 10 people, um, uh, three walls, and in what amount of time. So we are trying to find out X. Now, start by analyzing the situation. Look, if you look at this situation here, if you the relationship between people and time. Well, if you add more people, then the time will decrease. Okay, and if you add more time, say if you double the amount of time, then you can double the amount of the walls being painted. So try and understand the relationship between people, number of walls, and time. Well, if you need to paint more walls, then you're going to need more time. So the relationships that if you increase the number of walls, then you're going to increase the number of time. But if you increase the number of people, then you're going to decrease the time needed. So try and when you're given a situation, try to understand what's going on. Try to understand the relationship between the three parts. Okay. Well, anyway, so here this is our current situation at the moment. Three people, one wall in 7 hours. Now, for some reason, I just know that I need to. My gut instinct is to work out for one person. So basically, I'm going to turn this into a one for one person, and then jump to 10 people here, as opposed to multiplying it by three to get this part to be the same as this. I just don't know how I know. Well, you just got to use your gut instinct. So in this case here, work out for one person, and then from one person jump to 3 people. Okay. Well, anyway, this is our current situation. If it takes 3 people to paint one wall in 7 hours, then you can reason that, well, one person can only well if you can paint if 3 people can paint this wall here in 7 hours, then one person can paint a third of a wall in 7 hours. So this is your current situation here. Okay. Um, Now one person will be able to paint a third of a wall in in 7 hours. Okay. So now if one person can paint whatever this number is in 7 hours here, then 10 people, then 10 people here can paint 10 times this amount. Okay, so remember 10 times whatever that number is, it gets multiplied to the top. So it would be 10 over 3. Whatever this is, just leave it as a fraction. It's just a number. Okay, so now can you see we are almost there? So now, yeah. So if 10 people can paint whatever this number is, so let's summarize this. Jump to over here. Hang on. Let me just summarize this. 10 people here can paint 10 over 3. Okay, in 7 hours here. So here, this is our target here. We want to get to 3 here. And then this is our X here. Now we can pretty much forget about this part here. So here we want to start from here, and then jump into the X here. So we got to work out the multiplier. So let's just use this use this and this to work out the multiplier. So we need to start here and then somehow times by something to get to the 3. Okay, what is our multiplier? Well, our multiplier, well, I normally just get the destination here, which is 3, divided by the start, which is 10 over 3. So the multiplier is really, in effect, 3 divided by, well, whatever this number is, 3 over 10 here, whatever here. And then I'm going to turn this into a fraction, okay? And then divide, well, dividing, you basically keep this the same, and then you times the reciprocal of this part here. So it would be 3 over 10. So now top times top, which is 9, bottom times bottom, which is 10. So our multiplier, in effect, is 9 over 10. Okay, whatever that number is. I don't really care. I just know that over here I need to times it by 9 over 10. Okay, so if I want to know x, I would start here and then times my multiplier here. So x really is 7 times 9 over 10. Now this gets multiplied to the top, so it will be 63 over 10. So that equals roughly 6. What it is 6.3. Okay. So the answer is 6.3. If you go back, so the answer, let's clear all this. The answer is 6.3. Okay. So our x, remember it was our current situation was £3. Our current situation was 3 people, 1 wall, 7 hours, and our target was to get 10 people, 3 walls, and it turns out that, well, we worked it out to be 6.3. So this thing here is 6.3. Yeah, so it takes 6.3 hours for 10 people to paint 3 walls. Okay.